I am Dr. N.C. Wadhwa, Vice Chancellor, Manav Rachna International University, and before joining Manav Rachna campus, I worked with the Haryana government in various capacities as senior IAS officer. Manav Rachna is a very vibrant campus. It has excellent infrastructure, it has state-of-the-art kind of facilities, very well equipped labs, workshop, a world-class library and very talented faculty. Some of our special features are an excellent sports infrastructure which is of international standards. Mr. Abhinav Bindra, the only Olympian gold medalist from India, inaugurated our shooting range, and all shooters who are participating in international events, almost they are coming to our campus for practice. Gagan Naurang and Shweta Chaudhary, who won bronze medals in London Olympics, they have been our students. Another feather to our cap was Ankita Das, who is number one India table tennis player amongst the girls, and Mr. S. Ghosh, who is again number one boy table tennis player in India, who represented India in London Olympics. They are again our students. Every year our students are participating in reputed sports events in IITs, IIT Roorkee, IIT at Kanpur, IIT Delhi, BITS Pilani. Recently we joined with the Association of Indian Universities, and we are participating in almost all their sports events. Our students are winning trophies and medals and bringing lot of prizes. So in short, we have very special facilities in sports. Again, we are a known campus for research and developmental activities. There is a strong R&D atmosphere. Our students, our faculties, they are motivated and guided to go in for research activities. Students right from first year onwards, they are given a very conducive atmosphere to take part in research activities and come out with their thoughts, their visions, a lot of designs, a lot of equipments, a lot of models have come up through efforts of our faculty, our students. We have a Manav Rachna Incubation and Innovation Research Center. This center has been specially set up to catalyze the research atmosphere in the campus. Our faculty and students have, to their credit, 242 patents in their names and more than 3,000 research papers contributed in reputed national and international journals. Our students, they are participating in all important events which are happening annually, like India Intel Embedded Challenge, then Microsoft Cup, and then all India level competition organized by Society of Automotive Engineers. It is known as Supra SE, and there are a lot of other events being organized by various industrial associations. We have tied up for research activities with foreign universities also. Scuba, a Japanese university, very highly ranked university, then Idris Sultan in Malaysia and Lahti University in Finland. They are our research partners, they are our knowledge partners. This is how R&D culture has come up in our campus. We have a lot of international students who are coming from a dozen countries, from Southeast Asia, from Middle East, from Africa, and from other parts. We have students from Afghanistan, Nepal. Year after year, they are coming to our campus and joining various programs. From amongst our own states, we have students from 25 states from India. This is how this Manavarachana campus has attained brand value, reputation, academic excellence, and name in sports and in academic areas. We have won lot of awards and rankings amongst top universities, top institutions of the country. Reputed ranking institutions like ASSOCHAM, Associate Chamber of Commerce and Industry, for the last 3 years successfully they have ranked us as best private university in emerging areas, then best private university in R&D activities, promoting R&D activities, and best private university known for innovative and research related activities. We got ranking from Career 360 is an excellent ranking group which will evaluate various private and public sector institutions, universities, colleges. They ranked us amongst the first 30 leading universities of the country, and in addition to our ranking in the top 30 universities, they have further ranked our Faculty of Management Studies with AAA plus grade in Haryana region and AA plus grade in Delhi NCR region. Similarly, in India Today, they have declared us among the first 5 leading engineering colleges in the country, which are coming up. And then another reputed group, Times of India, they recently ranked us among the first top 50 business schools in the country. In North India, they have given us ranking among the first 15 business schools. We have ranking from Business Today. They have ranked our Faculty of Management Studies among its first 15 which have future orientation. And this ranking includes even IIMs from the country. So this is how the scenario has developed. Our President Dr. Prashant Bhalla has been honored by Times of India Group in their Trailblazer second edition 2014 for award, Excellence Award in contribution in educational field. We have very good tie-ups with reputed corporate groups, industry, commerce, who are coming every year to this campus to pick up our students for excellent job opportunities. And naturally, every student from the country, from across various countries of the globe, would love to join this campus for grooming their careers. Since Manavarachana campus has all the ingredients of a top billing institution, an aesthetically beautiful campus, academically very strong academics, technically very well equipped labs, workshops, an excellent world-class library, excellent international level sports infrastructure, and a lot of achievements, awards and recognition coming to this campus from all and sundry, from ranking institutions, from corporate group, from industry, from commerce. Naturally, I would expect good students and the parents to motivate their wards to join this campus and have a choice of all relevant courses in engineering and technology, in management, in applied sciences, art and humanities, and then groom their careers. And then they should prove to be respectable and responsible citizens of this great country and should bring name and fame to Manavarachana campus and should keep Manavarachana flag flying high.